Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are actually located on Serum. So we are back in USDT contracts, Bitcoin. Last couple of days took a little bit of hit. We just managed to long it Ethereum and Bitcoin at the moment. So we'll see if those two plays will play out. And sort of how Bitcoin is now going into that kind of a range. BTC contracts are finally moving, so all that trades that we have, data and everything like that, is finally moving. So hopefully those will hit profit targets. And then also I was just scrolling, just kind of checking for some trades and kind of opportunities that I want to talk to, right? And I saw this one as well. So the first time I heard about this token, it was listed on Binance quite recently, right? I heard it on stream. Somebody just said that I should check it out and if there's any opportunity on it. And I made this box because I was thinking if it comes down here, it's going to be a pretty good opportunity to buy. And I still think if it happens any day on the future, guys can note this down, because I do think it's a still good buy area if it ever happens, right? And from this area you could take it to at least to up here. So that's about what are we looking here, about 20%, or hopefully it's going to go even higher, right? But right now, when you have sort of a pump, right, and now you got this retracement and you're kind of creating these lows, and each time you go and try to create low, it's a little bit smaller. It's actually a nice reversal pattern, right? What we are observing right here. And when you have a nice reversal pattern like this, you can actually take a good stab at this token. And this right now is quite primed to take a stab at it, right? Not only did we have a reversal pattern, but we also right now with this pump, with this candle right here, we managed to get above these lines, right? These two lines, which now form ours. We are basically what we are looking at when we have a whole structure, right, developed right here. We basically are hanging above the main level of the entire structure, right? And this is quite good when you want to be trading alts, because they do kind of give you good reactions at those, right? So, frankly speaking, my buy area would not be located. Let me just delete this. My buy area would not be located at around this point. Sorry, it's going to be a little bit higher. Elsewhere, we're not going to get filled. It's going to be located right above this point. It is, let's just check how big this buy area really is. It's not that big. It's only 3.5%, so it's quite standard. I'm going to be looking at this, and let's just see. Our stop loss shouldn't be that bad as well, right? I mean, let's just see how our stop loss is going to look as well. It's going to be about 7%, because I will not put it all the way down. I will put it actually here, because I do think if it's going to go, it's going to go, right? No, the little possibility thing right now is, if something like this happens, I'm going to give you another one, right? Because the problem of this is this can get missed, right, before the video is uploaded. So I'm going to give you another option. If this now moons anymore, right, if this now moons above this, then the new buy area, this buy area will be moved to here, right? Then the new buy area will be moved to here with a stop loss right under this. So I'm just putting it out. If it's going to happen, you have, guys, another option. I don't have to do another video about the coin, right? But for now, let's just go back. For the regional idea, it's about 6.8% stop loss, which is not too bad. It's quite good. It's actually a little bit more than half of what we used to do, right? And the first profit target in this case is going to be quite a generous one, a little bit more than it usually is. It's going to be above here, because this is the area we just discussed. If it breaks this area, then we have a new entry point, and this is exactly the area where we want to be taking a profit target in, because it's the most likely area that's gonna get reacted from, right? And if it's most likely area that's gonna get reacted from, you obviously want to take profit, right? So idea could be also as well something like this, right? If it fills you right now, it goes all the way up here, right? And then you can get another one. You fill the profit target here, and you can fill it again on a pullback right here and this area, right, before it moves any higher. And really hoping this is going to happen. So either of these two trades is an option. Depends on where the price is going to be in the time when the video is uploaded tomorrow. And with this coming to a second profit target, it's going to be located right up here. It definitely has to be taken here. And yes, we are in bull market, but I still think this is a pretty big rejection area. The chart is fairly new, so we have nothing to the left side, right? Again, this is some problems when you have with these new projects. You don't have anything to the left side, so you have to kind of go with this, kind of go with an instinct after this. And again, I'm gonna say if it goes above that, I'm going to recommend the same thing as I always do. You follow with the stop loss underneath the structure. So let's just say here you get a reaction here, it does a pullback, I don't know, it's gonna maybe to like here, right, and it goes back above, then you move your stop loss here, right? And if it does something like this again, then you move your stop loss here. So it's pretty much just following the trend, because you can't really point a finger where the trend is gonna end, especially if you don't have nothing to the left side of the chart, right? So it is only the smart thing to do. The trend probably is not going to be as clean as I just drew it here, right? But I'm just kind of trying to give you guys a sense of how a structure should look like, and so how can you move a stop loss, right? Obviously, all these things can be seen in our channel of 4C. If you guys manage, if you guys want to join us, we always update our stop losses. We always talk about our stop losses, or any other questions you guys post in the Telegram channels. We are usually there to give you answer in a short as possible time, and we also discuss trades and kind of teach people how to trade as well in a sort of a sense, right? Also, we provide many trades like we do here on YouTube right now. So yeah, guys, so also please like and subscribe to this video, punch that bell button, right, so you get notified next time the video goes online. And yeah, that will be it, guys. We will be seeing each other in the next one.